Radars. This week we're doing the letter E or I, and my trusty helper Thomas is going to show you what to do. First, he's going to practice writing all his letters he's already done in some hundreds and thousands. Off you go, Thomas. There he's doing his A. Good. You're going to try and do the same. Ba. Well done, Thomas. Curly ka. That's it. It's very pretty to look at. Da, circle first. And up and down. Good. E. Nice. Top to bottom, left to right. Good. Ga. Circle first. Tail. And last one we've already done is ha. That's it. And your new letter is E for ink or igloo. That's the small one. And Thomas is going to show you the capital big I, which is not only a letter but a whole word by itself. I am, I can. Good. Then you're going to make the E out of Play-Doh, the little one and the big one. That's it. Wash your Play-Doh, roll it into a snake or your press stick. Do this stick and a little dot. There's the small one and now the big one. Capital E or I. Sometimes it makes the sound I and sometimes it makes the sound E. Like ice cream and inky ink and impala and igloo and ice and insect. There we go. That's the capital. Now, parents, you're going to draw a nice big E on the page for the children in black, and then you're going to put a green dot in the top left corner, and the child will write their name. So this week, it's going to be Jessica. Green dot, and in black, Jessica. Thomas writes his letters from bottom to top, but that's okay. Then you're going to color in the E using all the different colors. Do more than that. Do half that. Now that you've finished coloring your E in all the different kinds of ink you can find, here comes the fun part. You're going to, this is also quite dangerous, so parents, you'll have to be very careful. You can only do this if it's supervised. You dip a earbud in some bleach. Now be careful because this stains clothing. And then you can do any patterns you like in the ink. So wait for a while and it'll pop up. It'll reveal itself after a while. And you can keep dipping, Thomas, to get some more. And do some dots, some lines, some spirals. You can go across the different colors to begin. Some colors work better than other colors. And you can use the pink, works very nicely. You can use the other side of your earbud because it gets a little bit dirty. And make sure you take the bleach away after you finish the activity. Do some, yes, like that. Right across the different colors. So that is a dangerous thing to do, but it's actually so much fun. Once you've done that, you're going to look for some words around the house that start with E or I, and we found this capital I, E and ta, and you can highlight the I, and here we found a little one, E. You don't have to highlight that one. And we found a big one over there, capital, and a small one over here, a little E. Or you can cut a whole piece out of the newspaper and you can find all of the eyes, the little ones like that one, and you can just highlight wherever you see one in the way. See if you can find a capital, Tom. What about over here? I would like. There, so that's a different way of doing it. And you can also draw some things that start with E or I next to your E. And here's some ideas. There's impala, colorful igloo. This one, of course, a small child, it's called an infant. Some of you like to play on an iPad or an iPhone. Insect, ink. It's another igloo. And this is what Thomas is drawing. Iceberg, India, and iron. So there's some ideas for you. And there Thomas has drawn an iceberg. So have fun doing the letter E. Here's another one.